Hi, I'm Ryan, and welcome to my channel 64-Bit Gamer. I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on your Windows 11 PC. I was curious about other tutorials on it on YouTube, and I found them to be way overcomplicated. So I'm going to show you the easiest way to enable dark mode on here. Please like and subscribe if you find this video helpful. The first thing you want to do is click the search bar on the bottom and type in dark mode. It should already be highlighted on the top. So just hit enter. Now over here where it says choose your mode, you'll see this button and click it and it'll bring up the option to dark mode. Click it and that's that. Once again, click the like and subscribe button and share this if you found it helpful. Thank you.